Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. It's good to have you. If you're an old bee, welcome back, bestie. To this video, we're gonna do a quick tutorial on the beautiful crochet butterfly locks. This is a mid-length and I love how voluminous this looks on the clients. It's beautiful, it's flattery. This is exactly how she wanted it. Stay tuned to learn quickly how we achieved this look. To shop the kinky hair extension, use the crochet pin and all the product and tools used to create this look. Visit hair.sharpbeautyshop.com also for your high quality hair product and tools recommendation. First, you want to start with your freshly washed and conditioned natural hair. If you have relaxed hair, do the same. This hair is not only for natural hair. Once you're done washing your hair and conditioning it, you want to draw out your lines, your outline, your partings, braid your natural hair like so. So the first thing we're going to do is have our kinky bulk hair, and using our crochet pin, we're passing it to the root of the braided natural hair like so, and we pull out one end. I try to make sure one end is longer than the other. And the part that we're going to be wrapping around the hair is longer so that it will enable us to go as far as possible. This hair is really stretchy, so you don't even need it to be super long, and we're going for a mid-length. So once you're done attaching it to the roots, you want to wrap the braid like so, and then you loop your finger. So I'm using my thumb to just create a loop like so, and you can split the hair into two, go over the top and then go at the bottom of the loop. You want to do like 3 to 4 wraps, go at the top and go at the bottom. That way you're securing those loops that you're creating. It's called a butterfly locks because of the looping effect that it has. Once you create a loop, I try to make sure I go at the top of the loop and then directly at the bottom of the loop. Now you can see that the hair is already getting towards the end. You want to add another extension to make it longer. If this is your desired length, you can stop here. If you want to add more, if you think you want it longer, you add the hair extension like so. Now you keep creating your loop. Make sure to go at the top, make sure to go at the bottom of the loop, just one wrap each, and then continue wrapping on the hair like so. One of the beautiful things about this style is it is really versatile and it doesn't have to be perfect. Like you see, I'm just going creating my loops and then wrapping the hair. There's no significant amount of loop that you want to create. It depends on your desire or how butterfly, if that's the word, you want it to look. If you want the loops to be a lot, you can do as many loops as you want. If you don't want it so much, you can do limited number of loops. There is absolutely no rule to this, depending on how you like it. Once you're getting towards the end, this is how we finish it. Now pay attention to this part. Once you've gotten towards the end, the hair is going to thin out as you keep wrapping. So I do not create much loops towards the end because we're going to roll the hair back into the hair. Once I've gotten my desired length, I'm going to twist the hair back into the hair and then wrap it round. It's almost like you're doing like a reverse wrapping. So you were wrapping it downwards before, and now you're going to wrap it upwards. This is just to help seal the lock so it doesn't loosen out. Once you're done with the hair, you use your fingers and then wrap each area that was ended and then keep it down. So we're going again with this crochet. You can use this size. If you want it smaller, you can use a smaller volume, but you have to be careful. If your hair is very thick, your natural hair is very thick, you want to use enough hair to be able to wrap your natural hair, the braided part. So once you've put in the crochet, remember you're going to make one side longer. There's no rule. If you want the loops to be lower, you don't want it to start from the root, you can go as low as possible before you start creating your loop. Remember, you create your loop, split the hair into two with your finger, wrap at the top of the loop once, wrap at the bottom of the loop, keep going. We do another loop, top of the loop, bottom of the loop, 1, 2, at the third one we split, we create another loop. I was just wrapping in threes and creating the loop. That's because the client wanted it that way. She wanted as many loops as possible. Some people don't know how many loops, they just want that very full voluminous effect. So you can use your discretion as a professional, or if you're doing a DIY, you just do it to your own taste. There's no formula to this. The idea of a butterfly lock is those loops that you're creating with your hair extension. tension and your fingers. We did this crochet method. This style is going to last for a very long time, as against when you go directly with your hair. Instead of crocheting the hair, you just start wrapping your natural hair that is not braided. Those ones last, but not as long as the crochet ones last. Now this is the end, and then we wrap it. This is how we end each strand. So that rub against your hands, your two hands, and each strand towards the end of the hair, once you've finished the hair, is to help secure the hair further into the locks. Voila, this is a beautiful look. Our client is super happy. I'm just going in to show you the patterns. You definitely cannot trace that it was a crochet technique. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see next, and also let me know if this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to know once we post a video. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. See you in our next video. Bye bye.